Okay, that's nice.
Still waiting. You know, and I I get this thing at nighttime where I'm always like clearing my throat, as everyone can hear.
Yeah, it's all the time. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I get all phlegmy and gross, and so I'm kind of like, you know. Then I notice like the lady in chairs starts doing it or something like that. I'm like, oh, what? And then I realize now she's got like a fucking trach.
Oh, nice.
And she's blowing shit out of
How did you realize this?
I used my peripherals.
Oh, okay.
And I could see she's blowing shit out of her trach.
Gotcha. Yeah. I'm
I'm
ready
like,
to smoke.
I'm like, holy cow.